You and I, we might want the same things. Something to avert from our suffering. You have grown up, but I will never be a bully. Sometimes, oh, it feels like you're still here. Bully, I'm falling. Do you ever think about me? Bully, I'm falling. Sometimes, oh, it feels like you're still here. Bully, I'm falling. Do you ever think about me? Bully, I'm falling. Bully. Hello and welcome to this SonicLAB review of the Lewitt Ray. So, what's in the box? What could it be? You get the usual registration materials, a pretty nice microphone pouch. Ooh, what's in here? Hey, Lewitt stickers, baby. And then into the main compartment, we have a little windshield, very tasteful. Then the main microphone itself, which I think has a nice sort of industrial design language to it. A spider mount to put the microphone in. A little Velcro wire tidy. And then a metal pop shield. I like the little pop shield that just kind of clips on magnetically. It's worth mentioning that Ray is a phantom-powered condenser microphone. The capsule is actually based on Lewitt's LCT 440. But as we'll see, Ray has a number of unique features. The first feature I want to check out is this aura button. So as you move back and forth, it kind of tracks your movement. So let's try it. I'm going to be a session vocalist with terrible microphone technique. We'll turn it off first. I'm singing all over the place. I'm going near. I'm going far. I'm singing all over the place. I'm going near. I'm going far. I'm singing all over the place. I'm going near. I'm going far. I'm singing all over the place. I'm going near. I'm going far. This is the microphone's natural close proximity, and this is with aura on, so you kind of get quite a, even going back, you get quite a sort of uniform range. That's with nothing again, close proximity. I'm breathing down your neck. I'm breathing down your neck. See, it doesn't sound anywhere near as creepy with the aura on. So if you are going to make odd ransom notes on cassette tape to send to people, turn aura off. I like it though. I like, just being able to set it and forget it to a degree. But you've got to kind of like the sound of aura. Okay, so the other feature is it's got a mute button. So I can complain all day long on the podcast about Nick's stupid and he'll never know what I just said. But there is also like an automatic muting thing. So from looking at the display, I can see that there's 6 steps from front to back of detection. You can set one of these as your mute point. I'll do it now. So anytime it gets behind this red line, it'll just mute. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. One, two, three, 1, 2, 3. And I'm back in the room. That's really handy, especially for podcasts, because I can just step to one side, you know, and then have my conversation with my wife or whatever. So overall, I really dig the Ray at this price point. I don't think it's going to replace my main singing vocal mic. Because on my voice at least, for sung vocals it kind of picks up a little bit more harshness than the Neumann, and that's certainly workable. You can EQ it like really nicely, and it might work for certain voices more than mine. But I think for voiceover and talking and stuff like that, it's spot on, especially because I can just step off to one side. I don't have to worry about my proximity to the microphone too much. I think it's an absolute winner in that department. So it's only fair that we do some sung vocal comparisons with my current vocal recording mic, which is a Neumann TLM 102, which is kind of the gold standard of home recording microphones. It's priced at about 500 to 600 quid, so it's about double the Ray. But will it be doubly as good? Let's see. Oh no, kind sir, I cannot marry thee, for I've a love who sails all on the sea. And he's been gone for 7 years. Still no man shall marry me. Oh no, kind sir, I cannot marry thee, for I've a love who sails all on the sea. He's been gone for 7 years. Still no man shall marry me. Sometimes, oh, it feels like you're still here, but